Hello, Newit. How are you? We're continuing my zodiac sign application. Wait, let me reduce a little bit the sound on YouTube also. Great. Ready. So, wow. There is a holidays in Spain, like we call it puente, like a bridge, where we have three days in a row, and I have in my plan to publish 2 applications in 2 stores. Basically, it's 4 applications, and I need to work a lot. And I also have plans, so I hope today I can finish iOS part, but we have a lot of stuff to do. How are you? You don't have to turn music down. Yeah, but then I forgot about this, and when I talk, and then I like people say, "Oh, turn down your music." That's normally how it happens. So right now I'm just checking compatibility screens. I think it's quite all right, and I'm comparing with Android application of what I have. It's quite good. All right. For now, I can live with this. Ay, let's do the same on zodiac description. It's gonna say to cursor, great. Can you please now do the same for the zodiac description screen? I mean the same design changes. Let's go. The aliens abducted me but returned me and demanded a refund. How are you? Demanded a refund from whom? From president. Great, actually great. I am very proud. I have something here with my lamp. I'm very proud yoga exercises. How to say, like yoga practitioner, yoga exercise man, exercise girl, exercise woman. So I'm trying to be very strict with my yoga classes, and I even on holidays managed to do it. So I'm very happy, proud of myself. All right, so it should be working now. Let's move. Let's continue. We have a big chunk of work to do related to the images that I have, to all of those images, which should be 12. So we need to work on those. Let's see if I can do it. Okay. Aquarius, perfect. This is what I need, but I guess I need to put the icon of my zodiac description. So basically, maybe it's not for the people who don't know and are not following very often my streams. Let me show you Zirka Daily Horoscope. This is basically what do I have. So I need to arrive to this kind of design in my application, right? So I'm gonna make my best to make it like this. And as far as I can see in description, we need to put the icon in front of the title. That's what we're gonna do. Let's see. So I'm gonna say to cursors, great. In the zodiac description screen, can you please also use the icon of the zodiac sign in front of the zodiac name, like in this name that I shared a screenshot with you. It should be the same height as the font. Let's see if cursor can do it. Let's take a look. And I'm also trying to see what I need to do. Actually, I can put it in here. So what do I have? This is quite good. I already like the way how it is. I just need to put here an image like I have it in my design in here, right? I had image in here. I need to put icons, and these icons should be changed. This Aquarius should be not there. This font should be bigger. But in general, it is something that already is coming closer to original. And also in here, it should be changed. Reminder screen should be also different design. But let's see. Let's see how we can do it. Replace. No, I should probably collapse it because I'm gonna have an emulator and the code in the same. Okay, information. Great, it's actually worked. And now it's time to change the icons. So I need to get in here. I don't see because, okay, in assets. And I'm gonna add new assets. Let's see. Put in back a music. This is great. You're gonna need the fitness when the aliens come back. Cannot wait for aliens to arrive. When? Much sure that aliens are better than humans. Tell me about your app at the shops. You mean this horoscope app? I have a lot of apps already in the App Store and Google Play. And it's just like, I'm planning to soon already publish iOS version of this one. We have the Android version already published. Just opened it. It's in here. I'm gonna give a link. It is in here and also in here. So and the publishing sometimes, like, it's even though that when you have applications, sometimes it can take time. I was talking that I have a lot of work because exporting wrong stuff, because I am preparing outside some surprise application, something that I'm not sharing online. So I want to, like, basically it's another project that I'm doing and I want to publish it. I have 3 projects right now that I'm doing, and because I'm finalizing current applications that I'm streaming online, I want to publish it. And I was saying that if, in my case, for example, I am normally starting from Android, I do something on Android, and then I convert it to iOS. So it's basically never just to publish one application. It's normally publishing several, like 2 applications, and then like it's more job to do. All right, and settings. We're gonna export settings. So we're gonna settings icon 1. Settings icon 2. Xena is doing something. Xena, she's here. Settings icon 2, and we're gonna have settings icon 3. Sounds like you're busy, yes. And I was just discussing with everyone that the resting part is extremely hard, like in my case at least. So I need to rest. And there's a cultural stuff in this. Xena. I'm adding assets to the Xcode, so then I can change the icons and I raise the music. So now I'm going to change everything what we have in the header in here: description, compatibility, and settings. And that's let's make this possible for our cursor. So can you please now change the icons for description, I button, compatibility, and settings. I added to the assets. Let me see what I added. Compatibility, description, and settings image sets. Okay, we have the star. No, 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 no. You cannot go there. No, 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 no. This is the only way. Don't sit on my hair. Typical situation. Xena. No. Oh my god. Just that's. Oi. Everything is ruining. Xena. All right. Now we are again in a typical situation. This is always the same. So there is something that I need to do. Like for instance, the size and the header should be black, otherwise I'm losing the contrast. Xena, do you have anything to say from your perspective? Xena? This is microphone. All right, so okay, now she's gone. Xena, you want to go back? No, she doesn't. Time to reduce my screen. She desperately wanted to be in front of camera. How I flipped it, why I flipped it. I don't know how to unflip it on YouTube. Oh, now I unflipped it. All right. Good. Okay, let's continue. Okay, Xena wants to be back, of course, because she doesn't know whether she wants to be in front of camera or not. Now she's gonna spin around. Yes, you're gonna spin around. She's gonna run away. Typical. Xena of every day of her life. All right, so what can we say? We say, great. Can you make, please, those? Oh, she's back. Xena, just... Like, what was that? What was that? Ксена, иди сюда. Ксен. Ой-ой-ой-ой. Ksen. Xena. Xena, look what I have. Look, I have this. Oh, now she's coming here. Because if she started, she should continue it. What do you want? And she decided to leave. All right. Can you make please those icons bigger? And also the header black background. Let's see. Oh my god, it's already 40 minutes of stream. I cannot believe it. Mr. Moist 3K, thank you so much for follow. Also, Hexdew, also thank you so much for follow. My cat is gone, but I need to, I can explain her weird behavior right now. It's just, the problem is that she's about to get a food right now, like in 1 minute or something. Because in Spain is 3:30, so she around this time supposed to. Now she's back in here, but just under my table. Xen, please help me, someone. Now she's gone. Okay, back to my coding. Okay, actually something changed. Let's see if it is working. Yes, replace. Xena, come here. Xena. Come. Xen. Development with cat, always a lot of fun. Xen, come. She doesn't want to. Well, what can we do? All right, so did we? Yeah, I guess it's already new. Perfect, we have a header, we have here zodiac description, compatibility also working. This is working. We need to work now on this part, on the header. Where's my phone? It's here. After Xena, I don't even know where, in which place located. So what I'm gonna say, so this is something that I have on Android application, and we need to explain to Cursor exactly how we want it to be. So what I'm gonna say that, can you please remove Aquarius. No, not remove. Can you please move the icon of the zodiac sign to the header and remove the, like, how to even call it, like this Aquarius. I don't need this double Aquarius repetition in here, so I need to remove this header from here and remove the zodiac title from the description field. Let's see if it's gonna be possible for us to do this. We're gonna just try small steps. Right, it's doing something. I'm pretty much sure that it's going to be easier to do. Great. Let's run. Nothing changed. Okay. I will do it like this. We need to explain more carefully everything. So on a screenshot, you can see that we repeat the name of the zodiac sign twice. In the header and in the description. Please remove the zodiac title from the description field. So long. Come on, just ask you to remove some stuff, not even adding it. Well, I'm gonna clean build folder just in case. All right. Great. Like cursor cannot just leave nothing in there. Like it needs to place daily horoscope. That's why. Let's continue. We're gonna arrive to it. Can you please now move the icon of the zodiac sign to the header in front? No, right before the zodiac sign name. We're gonna do very small steps before arriving to what we need, but I try to make it as close as possible to Android version that we have, because it's probably the most important part, that they really look like one ecosystem, not like two different applications. That's my goal. So right. So now we're going to do small text, small prompt, small change, small prompt, small change. That's how we will approach it. Great. They have managed to edit there. Wait. I actually don't need to do it. Okay. Can you now please move this icon just into the section of the, how you call it, like general description, general prediction of the day, and remove it from the headers. Maybe I need to give like a guidance of design. Like, let me see if I have some stuff in here. Yeah, I can give this example. You can see an example of the icon location on the screenshot I shared. Let's see. It's kind of like Clother, but this is not needed. This part should go on the left side. On description, we need to add here the icon. And we need to add maybe pink buttons and also work on the reminder screen that is not designed properly. All right, this is good. Now I can say, can you now please remove the whole block of the daily horoscope, the water bearer, and like the text, the header on the day prediction screen. I need to commit the changes because it's been a long time that I did some stuff and I'm just leaving it with no changes. So yes, I really think that we just need to have these ideas, and we are capable to implement whatever we want right now. Actually, I need to write down some of the idea that I have. Which day is today? 7 of December. Great, it's a great day. Oh my God, my cat is back here. Xena. 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 No trust for me. Xen. Okay, I'm gonna attract her. What do I have? I have a ribbon. Xena. Xen. Xena. I got her. Do you understand why is it like, is my stream lagging? Excellent. Okay. Back to serious stuff. Can you please now make the day just Sunday, December 7th? Well, just copy copy paste it like this. And Xena is back to me. The day, same, the day text. The day, no, it should be the week, day, and the month. Same font size as the number of the day. Let's see. Oh, wow. Not expected. Can you make it a bit smaller? I can do it just with my own bare hands, but I don't want to do it. Like without AI, but no. Xena. She cannot, and I also cannot not play with her. 10 years old cat, behaving like she's 5 years old baby. How is it going? What model do you prefer? I am using Cursor. As you can see, I placed here GPT 5.1. And I don't have any preference, to say the truth. I just use what I have. I think now it's good. We can try to make some kind of special effects in here, but it's actually going good. I was just saying that we have what it's called in Spain, puente, and I'm really trying to make as much as I can during this holiday period. And I arrived to the realization that I have a lot of work to do. So I'm just trying to finalize design parts from my for my horoscope prediction application, and it's kind of like already looking good, but I'm missing some parts to improve, especially design. And so I'm not very comfortable with our Xcode, like it was anything that's related to Apple development, because I'm naturally Android user, and it's I feel like I'm going slower. Puente vacacional, exacto. Eso se llama puente. Bueno, no necesariamente vacacional, solamente puente. Se llama puente. Sí. Pues así vamos. Now I want to make here, as I always explain, I have an Android application. Like, I hope you can see it. Let me see if I can see myself what I'm showing. I'm gonna put myself like this. You can see in here that I did this kind of effect on Android, that the font is not, like this title is not inside of the block of this horoscope prediction, but it's going like on a top. And that's what I'm gonna try to do, but I don't know if I'm gonna succeed in this. But let's try. So I wanna give an example. So I will do like this. I will try to explain to the cursor. How are you? Irvin Zamora, 1837. How are you? So can you please now set the day, no, it's going to be weekday, month, and day number. on the top of the block of description and move it slightly left so you can see that it's going a bit out of the out to the left of the description block, and also throw a drop shadow from it for more beauty. All good, beautiful Sunday. I have to go. I'll subscribe. Cool stuff. What you're doing. Thank you so much, and have a good day. Yeah, it's a very beautiful Sunday, and always thanks for any subscription and support. Always very happy. Let's see if we can do this little effect in here. This icon should be bigger. This ones we need to move to the left. Let's see. Well, cursor did something. Just now I'm a bit scared to see what's gonna be. Literally nothing changed. Let's do it like this. Move this. Gonna call it. Where is my prompt? Yeah, it's here. Weekday, months, and day number. More to the left. Why I'm thinking about Beyonce now. To the left, to the left. All right. I need to change my music for streams at some point because I'm already like 3 years streaming only with Michael Jackson. It's very stable and ADHD representative. Okay, what do we have here? So it's inside of the block. That's what we need to do. Can you move the out of the black box? Where is it located? And put it on the top of this block. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, this is better, but we should still fix the stuff. I just hope my music was not too loud. I'm gonna put it a little bit down. This is way better. Can you now please prolong this black box right under the header? We need to commit the changes. So, what do we have? No, it didn't understand. Let's send a screenshot. So it's kind of like already arranged better, but still this part is not good. So I'm not gonna move to any new stuff until I'm gonna fix those. And we also need to add the banner for advertisement. That's way better. Great, even more up. Like stretch it from the top to the bottom of the phone screen. And also don't round the corners. Have my cat's fur on my keyboard. Hello, how are you? I like the phone chat setup smart. It's actually a real-time phone. Sorry, I didn't like. First of all, Furkan E01, very welcome on my streams. We are wipe coding a horoscope application. We did it on Kotlin. Now we're doing it on Swift. And I'm not sure if I understand. I like the phone chat setup smart. It's actually a real-time phone. I'm not sure which chat you're talking about, but the phone that you see on my screen, it's a emulator from Xcode. But I believe you talk about also the stream chat, so I'm not sure. I don't know. I'm not sure if I understand what you're trying to say. But very, very welcome here. Thanks, sorry, I meant your... Yeah, I'm talking about this phone. Yeah, this is just the emulator from Xcode. It's a very typical one. And this is better, but still not the best. Like, you're a developer, so you can make anything. My whole idea of my stream right now that I'm doing, that everybody can do anything right now, because I am already published Horoscope application on Android, and now I'm doing the same on Xcode, and I didn't even wrote a single line of a code myself. Like, literally now I'm doing the UI UX part, which easier, I guess, to do without artificial intelligence. But I'm just trying to do everything with cursor, and yeah, I think, like, if you want, you also can do it. Like, I'm sure about this. But what we need now this text to move on the right, and the whole block of this move down. That's what we're gonna pass to cursor so it can understand. I've seen last time a developer, he just made his chat with animation. But what do you mean about chat? You mean chat like on the streaming, or chat you call the phone chat? I'm not sure if I understand. And actually, I'm now again having like crazy deja vu. You know what is deja vu? Like, so that's like, I feel like we had this conversation before, and I'm probably just first time in my life talking to you. But yeah, with artificial intelligence, you can make a lot of cool stuff. Okay, I made a screenshot. Now I'm gonna say, can you please move the text to the right? The text of the week, day, number, and months. You can see that it goes out of the screen, and also the text in the black box should be always located more down, so it will never be located under the weekday, number, and months text. Just visually. I can't develop anything, but I can make anything because I'm a 3D artist. Yes, streaming animation. I just talk like that. Yeah. I understand. This is a chat. You call it chat. It's space, all right. So yeah, tell me, you're a 3D artist. I love 3D, and actually, I not online, but I'm working on another project last days, which I believe I should have done with Unity and 3D. Soon I'm gonna publish it. I just don't want to talk online about it before I publish, but like, I did a very specific, probably I need to create a video about the whole logic, how I did, but I had to do some animation, and instead of doing proper 3D object in Unity and animated, I just generated a bunch of videos with a whole logic behind of how I show videos, so the object look like it's actually 3D, which is totally wrong. But for 3D artists, I always have this question, whether is how artificial intelligence influence your life. Is it easy now to generate 3D object with artificial intelligence? How does it influence 3D world? I did a bit of Blender. Actually, I can show you my beautiful art that I did in Blender. How can I see it? It's a whole story about Paperonia Guslik that I have. Where is it? How can I find it? Paperonia Guslik. Yes, it's here. So here we go. This is it. It's something that I did myself, kind of like already a long time ago. It was about the Italian woman that she stole Mona Lisa from the Louvre. I'm gonna share a link in here. and also in here. And I actually need to go check what cursor did, but let's finish this one, and I'm gonna go check the cursor progress. So yeah, I actually say that also maybe my next stuff that I'm gonna try to do with artificial intelligence is some kind of Unity stuff and 3D stuff. But if you're a 3D artist, you probably quite a technical stuff you need to know for Blender with what you do 3D. So yeah, this is kind of like she ate pizza and converted into an evil character, and now she's gonna run into Louvre to steal Mona Lisa. Yeah, now she's in the Louvre. Now she arrived to Louvre. Checking. This bones and stuff in 3D was super hard to do. Now she's looking right, left, down. Pam, pam, pam. Mona Lisa stolen. And by the end of my cartoons that I did, Yeah, this is my animation. I directed by Xena, and Xena is my cat. So whatever I do, I just give all the credits to her. Let's see what we have here. But 3D, I think 3D is very hard. And one of my very favorite stuff is to see these projections of the 3D cartoon into the architectural stuff. Oh, look, it actually did a great job. Great. Okay, it's time to commit. Let's do commit changes. Great. We need to commit stuff. Otherwise, very bad. Like, really? Them. I don't know what you... Maybe you're talking about the animation? Or... No, I'm not sure what you're talking about. All right. So we're committing. Can you please now make the icon on the day, the icon of the zodiac description on the daily prediction bigger. Just let's try. How much experience do you have? Just drop the follow. Thank you so much for follow. And in 3D, I just learn everything myself. Like on IT sector, I work for more than, I would say that around 15 years already. But on 3D, the stuff that I did, it was just like 1 year. I was just learning myself Blender. I actually was streaming this all online, how I was doing this animation, but I suffered a lot. Also, I mean, for 3D, you need to have a very powerful hardware. And I was doing 3D on my Mac. I have a MacBook Pro, and I just like was... So sometimes hair, it was nightmare. It was like lagging so much. And my first desire is to make a very furry cat and to make it like running around the mouse. That's the first my cartoon desire. and imagine doing a very, very furry stuff on not that well adapted computer like for 3D. It's a nightmare. I was just like waiting for hours to get something. I only have 4 months of experience in Blender, so that's mean you're my guru. I cannot say that I am guru in 3D. Also, neither I am practice right now a lot. You know, I have a Discord. Let me share. Maybe you can share your art. I'm very curious to see what you're doing. Let me see. How can I invite to channel? Copy link. Yeah, I'm gonna give you a link if you want. Of course, if you want, share what you do. Like, this is a Discord. Of course, again, if you don't want to show anything, it's all right. And just in case I'm sharing the same on YouTube, I always repeat that I stream all the time on two platforms, on YouTube and also on Twitch. And if I don't read something on YouTube, then it means that I read on Twitch and vice versa. Would you like to see my work right here? Just open the site and tell me what mistake I keep making. I don't know, but I am not guru in 3D, so like I have no idea. You can share on Discord because I am not allowing on Twitch to post the links. So in Discord, if you want, you can share. All right, we need to make it even bigger. Can you make this icon even bigger, please? So this is quite a great progress, I need to say, because we managed to do quite a lot of stuff in here. I need to make this icon bigger, but let me check. I have Android application of this. Zodiac description, this icon should not be here. I need to remove it. All right, I know what I need to do. Okay. Is it done? Good. Let's try to run it. Replace. In general, yeah, I see that here. Yeah, I see you typing. All right. It's bigger now. Great. Gonna just. Can you please move a bit? Even more down the text on the daily prediction block. Hey, new here. I need to say that I am very bad with Discord. I'm just not checking it quite often. But normally I'm checking Discord during the streams. I don't even know, like, what's the difference whether I share Discord or Telegram or WhatsApp with people, but just like, since that's what people are doing. Okay, let me take a look. Going to go into incognito mode. It's kind of like interesting. All right. Okay, here we go. This is what you shared, right? Oh, wow, you have a lipstick. Amazing. Bobby Brown. But I think it's quite... Wow, look at this. This is amazing. This is so cool. Clothes. Do you know how much I suffered for my animations with clothing? Wow, this is very cool. 4 months? You say that you're learning 3D for 4 months and you do this? Wow. As you see, I like everything that is like crystal stuff. It's a lamp. Wow, I love it. Why? So good. It's really cool. So it's kind of like you do it for advertisement, right? Oh, wow. This is very hard to do this kind of, like the closest is very hard. You can see more, just scroll. Yeah, 4 months. But I mean, it's a, yeah. I figure that I need to scroll down. It's a huge amount of work for 3 months, for 4 months, sorry. Very cool. I really think it's very cool. Especially the one that is a crystal. I never did anything 3D like this crystal. You know, because you probably need to put how you call the world, so you can get the reflection. And I'm always like so hard. Maybe at some point I'm gonna be back. Actually, I had an idea. I said last stream that long time ago I had this kind of application when iPads just appeared, that you have an egg and you tap several times on an egg, like million of times, and then someone appears, and you eventually have a bunch of people who just constantly every day tap it on the screen, and then after several months they don't know what's going to appear and it's appear. But I want to make it like a crystal egg and make it on 3D and Unity. So maybe I eventually at some point soon I will arrive to creating this kind of application. But Unity, I have no idea. I never tried to do anything on Unity. Maybe like several years ago when it was a very popular augmented reality, I made like a with Unity Donald Trump walking on the dollar bill, which was a very popular tutorial on YouTube, and I did I did this YouTube tutorial stuff. So, but I don't know anything. I don't like this model. You don't like the lamb? Thanks, but you're my guru. Thank you for. I'm guru, but I feel like you know way more in 3D than I do. I'm just googling and doing stuff, and I cannot realize up until this moment how artificial intelligence influence 3D. I don't know. It's pretty easy. The close simulator as well. Just install a new version of Blender. Probably it's stepped way far, no? The Blender. And but you have a quite powerful computer, I believe. All right, this is exactly great. That's what I wanted to. Now we need to move Aquarius compatibility and description to the left. Great. Can you please now move in the header? No, not move. Can you please now? I'm gonna write down like a line in the header, the zodiac sign name, description, and compatibility icon to the left, to the left, to the left. Let's see. And how long am I streaming? I'm streaming for 1 hour and a half almost. Nice. Great. Okay, let's see if it managed to move it. I know that I don't need to rerun application all the time. All the people who join my streams, they're like, well, you don't need to run all the time. I know. Just I always run. I don't know why. I know that I can see. Okay, great. Now I need see. I had the same problem on Android. Can you make the compatibility and description icons to be aligned? Now the compatibility icon looks like a bit located to the top. Like my niche is product and industrial visualizer, plus I did stream two time. But what are you even trying to make in? Forget to ask. Yeah, I will explain now. And yeah, I see that you did like Bobby Brown and other stuff. So I did quite a lot of applications already on my own. I can actually show it, like for example in here. Yeah, you can see that I did Calm Loop application, reverse audio game, retro crosswords, emoji, much memory game, focus game puzzles, and Zirka daily horoscopes. That's the ones that I'm doing right now. And my idea was basically to find some kind of a very easy, simple application that I can stream online and not to show like by pieces, like, oh, now I'm going to do design or now I'm going to do coding. No, I did everything, every step of me doing this application was streamed online. I created a playlist on YouTube just called like Vibe Coding, and I just wanted to stream online everything from zero. So what I did, I generated a database with ChatGPT. I say to ChatGPT, can you please, with real planet positions and real orientations on the planet, create a database for me of the zodiac prediction for 2026 and the leftovers of time for this year. ChatGPT generated for me, and then I just started to create the whole horoscope prediction application. It's basically you open this application every day, or you receive a reminder if you want. You click and you can read the whole description. I don't know how much you can trust it, and that's what I say in this application, that you should not trust any horoscope predictions. that's my personal opinion, and it's purely for entertainment. It's not anyhow for real prediction. I actually I'm quite strict. I don't like those applications where it's like right now it's so popular. Oh, let's take a look on the AI guru advisor predictor. Like no. Can I see your work, like art and stuff? You can always see my Instagram. Let me share my Instagram. How can I even see myself on Instagram? Yes, so you can see my Instagram in here. Also, I did a very curious project about balconies of Barcelona, which is in here. Let me also share it on YouTube, because I never know who, where, watch what. This is my Instagram and also my balconies application. So I always mix stuff. For me, tech world and art world were always going together, and that's what I'm pretty much doing right now. 3D in a way also, it's go very, very one next to another. This the tech world and art. Sorry, but ChatGPT is not my guru. You're more good. Thank you so much. You know, the more I speak to ChatGPT, the more I believe that we are all artificial intelligence. It's just like, I even look in my cat and I'm like, she's for sure artificial intelligence. Yeah, I have a cat. Her name is Xena, and you're gonna see, if you join my streams, you're gonna see a lot of her, because she's just jumping on a table and steal the stream. That's her job. Do you have any tip or trick that you wish you had known how to start as content creator? I don't even consider myself as content creator. I think I'm not good at this. I can only say one thing that is for me is, I don't believe in anything that people say that you need to quit everything and become a content creator. I don't believe in it. And also I do feel that you need to do something easy and quick for you, but not faking it, because right now everything is so saturated, and also saturated with artificial intelligence. So if you want to be a content creator, you need to be very comfortable in it. I have a friend, and she's constantly like, oh, I will make a tutorial now for this, and she spent 1 week on grabbing one tutorial, and I don't feel like this is how the world is going right now. You cannot spend 1 week just to grab one tutorial, unless it's a super strict tutorial on how to make a plane to fly to the moon, something like this. YouTube recommended this live stream to me, and to be honest, I'm going to watch it to improve my listening comprehension, because you have nice accent. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Someone wrote on my stream that I have Indian accent, and it was the best moment of my streams of all my life. But I have a Slavic accent. That's what I have, and I cannot hide it. I will make videos for YouTube. Yes, you found the emoji with my cat. I hope you give me a follow back on Instagram. I firstly need to find you. Yes, I can understand it. I'll make videos for YouTube. Let's see what is going to happen with all the social media startups. Social media, not startups, social media activity. Got it start small. Thank you. I wish you all the success with your project. Thank you so much, Alberto Mijoler. Thank you so much. Alberto Mijoler, hablas español, puede ser. I never say immediately, but I'm Ukrainian originally, and I live in Spain for a very long time. So that's sometimes people say I have Spanish accent, sometimes I have like Spanish, Slavic accent, but actually everybody knows that it's just Indian. So I'm gonna be back to like what I was saying, Furquan, that I had this application Zirka, this little games that I did, crosswords, puzzles. This is very popular actually. About voice changing, Calm Loop, about ADHD and concentration application, and basically they are all here. Let me share on Google Play. Not gonna share now App Store, even though that I should. What, like your accent, it's actually pretty good. Yeah, it's true. Thank you so much. My laptop gonna die. See ya, see ya, see ya, see ya. Now you Jupiter accent, the Indian accent. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye, bye, bye. Actually, I'm gonna end stream also very soon because I would need to go at like in 4 minutes. I would need to go. All right, let me see where we stop. Gonna just rerun to see what do I have, and we see. Okay, this is yeah, we were organizing these two icons which I don't like. Let's change it. Can you how did I fix it on Android? I remember I had it on Android. Can you make please the icons of compatibility and description align horizontally but like on the icon center? I don't know if that's a proper explanation of what I want to explain, but let's see. And then we would need to remove this icon, maybe remove even this description and just put which zodiac sign we are talking. And this stream, I'm not gonna have enough time already, but we have images of zodiac signs in here, which we would need to put, add in assets. Está lloviendo, por donde vives se escucha algo parecido. Let me check. I guess algo parecido is just a noise from, no, it's not. No, it's not. It's just a noise because I put my mic very sensitive. I can actually put down a bit the microphone. So, all right. No, no está lloviendo. Did we finish? Yes, all right. Let's see if he can do it. No, it's even worse. Can you move the compatibility icon closer to the description icon? Last thing that I do, and then I would need to go because I need to finish exactly in 1 hour and a half, and I'm already streaming in 1 hour 40 minutes, almost 2 hours. Oi. For people, Xena. No, I need to show my cat. Where is it? She cannot resist a ribbon. No, and I cannot grab her. Oh my god. Xena, come here. Oh, okay, I cannot. Whatever. Let me run the last time before I finish my stream. And I always say a big thank you to everyone who is joining, who's supporting, who is curious about stuff that I do. It did not change anything. Maybe I need to clean the project, but it's not a good time for it. So in any case, just finishing the stream. I will see you most likely I don't know, maybe next week, maybe even tomorrow, to say the truth. So I'm just trying to calculate how good is my puente is. So, yeah, muchas gracias a todos y nos vemos. Puede ser mañana, puede ser